How to use password manager to autofill app login. In order to use password manager for app login, you must first set it as your device default auto service. Once enabled, your phone will recognize login field and suggest credentials from your vault. So what you need is launch open your settings on your device. Then here you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap the search, type in autofill service from Google. Once you've done that, at the very bottom, you could see autofill service from Google. Tap open that up, and here you could just go ahead and select, or just go ahead and select your provider. Once you've actually done it, so preferences, you could go ahead and authenticate it and go ahead and make changes or just save the changes. And that is how you will be able to enable, and some managers some manages these apps as well, so you could go ahead and enable it. Now you could use the app or setting up autofill. That's how you will be able to use password manager to autofill apps. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.